Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Aglaonema, an extremely beautiful and colorful indoor plant that we all love. But sometimes things go wrong and they don't grow well. Here in this video I am going to share a secret to force Aglaonema to produce many offshoots, pups or babies, whatever you want to call. It's easy to do, and one more thing, we can do the same thing in case our plant is leggy. Right here you can see one of my ugly looking Aglaonema plant. It's leggy and not looking attractive at all. Basically this happens when it's lacking of bright light or there is some issues in the soil. There are only 2 shoots and I need a much fuller pot. So what we need to do in such case? Please follow the steps. Step number 1. Get rid of all the old soil. Please be careful while doing it and avoid damaging the roots. I am fast forwarding everything just to save your time, but in reality I spend many minutes while doing it. Step number 2. As you can see, the previous soil was somewhat compact. Aglaonema doesn't prefer soil like this and it needs well aerated and kinda loose potting soil mix. This is why I am going to get rid of all the old soil. Please note, you don't have to do this in case your previous soil mix is already loose type and not compact like mine. Step number 3. Alright, before removing the complete soil from the root ball, let's take 2 cuttings. You can see me collecting 2 cuttings here. Step number 4. I am going to keep both these 2 cuttings in water and going to wait for the rooting. No worries, you are definitely going to see the updates. Also using just normal tap water. Step number 5. After removing the old soil, this is how they are looking. Next, using a very well drained and loose soil mix, and I am doing it this way. 60% peat moss, and instead of this we can use coco peat. 20% perlite and rest 20% vermicompost. Step number 6. Using the same pot and it's around 6 inch deeper and 6 inch wider. Let's repot the plant quickly. One important note, for better result, please do at the end of January or in February as they start to grow from spring onwards. At the same time, avoid doing this thing in winter as it's the dormancy time. Step number 7. Done and watering well. Next, I would keep the pot only in bright area, not under direct sunlight. I did the exact thing with one of my other leggy Aglaonema plant. It was a new plant which I have collected from the nursery just few days back. But instead of putting the cutting in water, I planted directly in the same pot. Used rooting hormone powder as well. Let's take a look at the updates. This is the result after 6 months. Transformed really well, isn't it? The pot is looking much fuller and it has produced way too many offshoots. Interestingly, I haven't applied any fertilizers till now. Trust me, and if I had, I believe it would have looked much better. Anyway, I will do it very soon. Let's take a look at the other plant. I can see offshoots on these two, but not like the other one. Anyway, much better than before. Well, the cutting which I kept here, it did not produce any roots and it got rotten. Happens sometimes. This is why I also propagate many plants in water, and if we do correctly, we actually don't get any issues. Many people said me that their water propagated plants don't do well or die after transplanting to the soil. It usually happens if we use compact soil or if the soil remains wet for much longer time. In case you are getting other issues on your Aglaonema plants, I would highly recommend you to watch one of my other videos where I have provided many ways to fix common problems on Aglaonema plant. For that, you can simply check out the next video. Hope you found the video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.